something real quick. What if I told you right now, yes, today, you might be doing small harmless things that are quietly draining your energy, messing with your hormones, slowing down your metabolism, and even setting you up for long-term health issues. And the scary part, most people don't even realize it. But don't worry, because in today's video, I'm not just exposing these hidden daily health traps. I'm giving you simple, realistic habits you can start immediately to feel better, think clearer, sleep deeper, and actually enjoy your life again. And trust me, you see number 7, that one shocks almost everyone. So stay with me till the end because your future self will thank you for this one. So the first habit that improves your health is drinking water first thing in the morning. Let's start simple but powerful. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. You see, your brain is sluggish, your metabolism still asleep, and a hidden trigger, you're starting your day with coffee instead of water. And this can lead to dehydration, fatigue, headaches. So what is the solution? Drink 1 to 2 glasses of water immediately after waking up. Add a squeeze of lemon if you like. Think of it like turning your internal engine on before even stepping on the gas. Next up, stop sleeping immediately after eating. The classic eat and knockout move. It feels good, but your gut is crying. And what is a hidden trigger? You're lying down right immediately after meals. And this causes acid reflux, bloating, and even poor digestion. So what is the solution? Wait for at least 2 to 3 hours before sleeping. Take a short walk after meals because your stomach is not designed to digest food horizontally. What is the 3rd habit that improves your health? Move your body daily, even just for 10 minutes. Now listen, I'm not saying become a gym warrior overnight though. But if you're staying still all day, that's dangerous. And what is a hidden trigger? If you're sitting for long periods, this will slow circulation, increase risks of weight gain, and even chronic disease. So what is the solution? 10 to 30 minutes of movement daily. Dancing if you're comfortable with it. Walking, stretching, it all counts. Movement is medicine and it is free. Now what's the 4th sign that actually improves your health? Fix your sleep routine. Let's talk about that. I'll just scroll for 5 minutes. That turns into 2 hours. Yeah, that one. So what is the hidden trigger? Irregular sleep schedule. With your phone use at night, this can cause hormonal imbalance, fatigue, and even weak immunity. So what is the solution? Sleep and wake up at the same time every day. Avoid screens 30 to 60 minutes before bed because your body heals while you sleep. Don't cheat it. The 5th habit that improves your health is by eating real food, not just convenience food though. If it comes in a shiny packet and lasts 2 years, your body is suspicious. And what is the hidden trigger? Ultra-processed foods actually causes inflammation, low energy, nutrients deficiency. So what should you do? Focus on whole foods, fruits, veggies, proteins. Cook more meals at home because your body understands real food though. Period. The 6th habit that improves your health is on managing stress before it even manages you. Stress is not just in your head, it shows up in your body. And what are the triggers? Ignoring chronic stress actually leads to high blood pressure, poor sleep, and even emotional eating. So what should you do? Take a deep breath, pray or meditate, talk to someone that you love, okay? Because peace of mind is actually part of your treatment plan. Now what is the 7th habit that actually improves your health? Stop ignoring your gut signals. This one, a lot of people overlook. You see, bloating, constipation, gas, these are not just normal though. And what is a hidden trigger? Ignoring digestive discomfort actually leads to long-term gut issues. So what should you do? Eat fiber-rich foods, stay hydrated, don't ignore persistent symptoms because your gut is your second brain. So start listening, listen, continue listening. Next up, cut down excess sugar. Sugar is sweet, we all know, but the effects, they are not so sweet at all. And what is a trigger? You see hidden sugars in drinks and snacks. They can actually cause weight gain, energy crashes, and even increase disease risks. So what should you do? Reduce sugary drinks, read labels, choose natural alternatives because your energy should rise naturally, not spike and crash. The 9th habit that actually improves your health is like practicing portion control. Sometimes it's not what what you eat, it's how much you eat it. And what is a hidden trigger? Oversized portions actually causes weight gain and even sluggishness. So what should you do? Try to eat until you are satisfied. Try not to stuff your belly, okay? Use smaller plates if needed because your stomach doesn't need a full tank every time. Now, the 10th habit that improves your health is by checking in with your body daily. This is a habit most people skip. And what is the hidden trigger? If you're ignoring early warning signs, this can lead to small issues becoming big problems. So what should you do? Notice changes in your body. Get regular health checks up. Don't self-diagnose. You're not too busy to be healthy. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to Global Nurse Grace so you never miss this life-saving tips, because here we don't just talk health, we live it. You know what? I once had a patient who told me, Nurse Grace, I thought I needed a big change, but it turns out I just needed better daily habits, and that's the truth. It is not always about drastic transformations. Sometimes it is the small things you do every single day that quietly saves your life. So tonight, when you go to bed, just ask yourself, what's one small habit that I can fix starting tomorrow? Start from there. Leave a comment below which of these habits you're starting today. I'm reading every single one. And share this video with someone you care about because health is too important to keep to yourself. Alright, my health heroes, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Thanks for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.